I'll tell you the steps first. So what we are doing first we need to install. So the topic is HTTP, Angular HTTP. So in that Angular HTTP we need get, post, put and delete. So now using that fake API call we are getting the data. Okay, from free API call just we are getting the data. What is the API call we are passing here in HTTPS? We are passing something, free API call we are passing, right? So this is the API call we are passing. So it is in the structure of JSON object structure we have. So we need to get this data into table manner. Okay, so we need to get this data into a table manner. So in that we are getting the what we are using Angular. So in that Angular we are writing the data ts as well, ts and .html. So in the ts we are going to write that is the business logic here. Just this is the ng on it. This is the life cycle hook. This is one of the life cycle hook. In this method we are passing just one API call and we are subscribing the data. So in the users, what is the API call name? That the API call name is users. In that users we are getting the data from business logic to view part. Okay, in that view part this is the dynamically messages what we have. In this message what we have, Angular HTTP client example without service. So this is the dynamically we are getting using two-way data binding. So using two-way data binding we are getting that message, and after that the data also we are getting from where? This is the user. What is the user here? This is the user is the API call name. So users.name, username and username also, email also. So suppose we are taking another name, that is user dot what we have next, we need to get address. Okay, we need to take address. So we will pass address here. Okay, so I'm going to refresh the browser once. Okay, I'm going to refresh the browser once here. So here object is passing because that is the address is very big, so that's why it is passing object. So I'm going to give the heading also here, address. Okay, so object it is passing. So because object is the it is not the way to pass, just I will give the name. I will give the name here. So we have the suit is there in all. Yes, suit is there in ID 1, 82 and all. So suit I will pass. Okay, so in the address of suit I am going to pass. So we will so it is not passing because it is there in a object manner, I think. Yeah, it is there in object manner, so that's why it is not passing. I will pass the phone number as well here. I will see once the phone number is printing or not. We are not defining any typo over there, so we will see. The phone number is passing. Oh yeah, so this is how the way the dynamically we are getting the data. Okay, so this is the phone. Okay, so are you getting my point, Kavya?
Yes.